Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the month of January and I'll be using this kit from xomamaplans. I really love how her monthly kits really just take all of the guesswork out of putting together a monthly spread, and sometimes that's just what I need in my life. Just the monthly to come together, because that is where I brain dump appointments and um, events coming up, and then we drill down during the weeklies. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. The layout that I use for my planner is from Lights Planner Action, and it's undated. I use printables from her shop, so I print these every month so that I can kind of organize it the way I need it. They are classic happy planner size because I do love the discbound system. I think it's just really functional for my style of planning, and when I want to add things or subtract things, it just really works well for me. This is another reason why I love xomamaplans monthly kits, because all the dates are there. I just have to take my time and get them put on the days correctly. That's always the thing that scares me the most. Now, her kits are sized for Erin Condren planners. So there are some like little gaps you might get with your stickers when you use them in other planner sizes, but I've never found that to be a problem. I love that she includes these decorative boxes to fill in those empty calendar spaces. And what I do to fill in those gaps is I just use her washi strips, and really it works pretty well. See? And can we just talk about the colors in this kit? I love that she picked these green and whites and browns, almost these neutral hues for January. It's winter, but it's also renewal, and I really like that. She also includes some holidays, so you can mark those off, as well as I'm currently marking off my school paydays and my pink zebra payday. I don't really need to know this information, but when the stickers are included, I'm like, let's put that down. I have a couple birthdays this month. I have my monthly professional meeting that we have through Zoom, so I always like to mark those off. Getting all of the things together. And of course, you can't forget to mark off Dog Day. For those of you who don't know, Dog Day is when we give Jules and Sharpie their monthly flea, tick, heartworm medications. Which, by the way, with how mild it's been, I mean, we never stop giving them their meds. Like, they get it all year round, even on the years where it gets really cold. But, like, I couldn't give them a break if I wanted to this year. We have barely had a frost. It's crazy. Over in the sidebar, I'm putting some bullet points. That way I can write some reminders for the month. I'm not exactly sure how I want to use this sidebar, but I really like how pretty it came out with the bullet points there. So that's about it, as I'm about ready to add some pen to this spread. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a great January.